G here from OG Creations. Today I'm going to make the sickest jacket you have ever seen. I'm starting with a cotton men's regular fit stretch denim trucker jacket from Levi Strauss. I've soaked it in a soda ash bath for 30 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. Crumple it up in the bottom of a deep plastic storage container. I do a light sprinkle of Mindbender X by DyeSpin. It's covered with a ton of ice. And having used up all my pre-made ice and not thinking it was enough, I went and raided my freezer for more ice. I now add a heavy layer of even more Mindbender X dye powder. I top it with soda ash and then put the lid on it. I set it aside for 5 days and let it hang out in all that mucky water. Inside my basement shower, it is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then run through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried and ironed, I popped it up on my Etsy store. See, you can see it right there. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com.
Any questions?
If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them all. Okay, what did I tell you? This jacket is amazing. I love it. I am quickly becoming obsessed with DyeSpin. Their ice dye mixtures are so vibrant. I highly, highly recommend them. I can't wait to see what they come out with next. If you've ordered from DyeSpin, let me know. I would love to see your creations. I'm always inspired by others. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.